And let me just teach you guys a little trick here how to remove these boxes without damaging the drywall. So you see how I'm pushing it to the side? It's hitting the drywall a little bit, so you want to cut the drywall in the angle this way so it won't pop the drywall out, so it won't damage it. So then you go, just kind of push it. You want to put the screwdriver towards the top. Why? Because that's where the screw is. See, once you pull it out enough, you could cut the screws. Cut the screw off. What? I mean the screw, I'm sorry, the nail. Plus you cut the nail off, and you're able to get your box out. Then the way you get it out of the wall, you push your box a little bit lower so you could cut the top section. So you're gonna cut these little things from the top so you could pull the box out. Cut these little plastics off. By the way, these are not my strippers, they're not my tools. There we go, so we got our box out. So now we're just going to undo the makeup so we could pull out our box. Which next time is better just to undo the makeup, but just want to show you guys real quick how to get the box out without damaging the drywall. And that's my little trick there.
Lucille Electric, and remember, and whatsoever ye do, do it heartily as to the Lord, not unto men. Colossians 3:23.